Okay, here comes the big test. The rain catcher is full and I don't see where I'm hoping nothing's leaking. All right, now let's follow it down the hill and see what's going on. I mean, we're going down, down, down the hill. Now, all right. So if I'm assuming the water will have come through the rain catcher, through the hose, all the way down to where I am now. And here we go. All right, Hatchet. Wait, hold up. Okay, maybe if I turned it to a different, let's see if I turned it to a different sprout thing or whatever it's called. Hold on. That's tight. Ugh. Okay, what's that? Clean, soft, wash, jet. Let's see what jet does. Ugh. Okay, let's see if jet. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm going to leave well enough alone. And this is my shut off valve, so I decided to use this because how would I stop the water? So I decided to put the sprinkler head on, and sure enough, yay! So let me see, what a flower. You got the different adjustments on how the water comes out. So I want to see, let's see what flower is so it could okay, garden. What's garden? Sick. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna leave that alone. That is so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, so that was successful. Let me see if I bring it up. If I bring it up, will the pressure still bring it? Let's see. See, yeah, it may have to still be hanging down. Oh my gosh, this is neat. Okay, so yeah, I see what's going on. The hose will basically still have to be, I will have to have it where it's down and not up, because if I have the hose up, the water won't come out. So I got to make sure the hose is aimed down. I got it. I'm gonna get, I hope I didn't break that. Yeah, see, I gotta have the hose aimed down and not up. Oh gosh, that was a beautiful experiment. It worked.